can't buy it twice, you can't afford it.
Oh, hindi naman sa ganun. Why do you need to buy it twice? Kaya nga binibigyan ninyo ng gratification ng sarili nyo to allow you that one-time experience. And you don't want to buy it all over again. You just want to say, ay, at least naramdaman ko na makabili ako ng ganito o nakapagkape ako dito sa mamahaling kapihan na to. Which does not really require you to be able to redo things over and over again. I don't agree. Allow yourself to be rewarded sapagkat napakahirap naman ang pakiramdam na ikaw ay nagtatrabaho na napaka walang reward. Hindi mo nararamdaman na ikaw ay nagsasucceed. Para ka umakyat ng bundok, pagka-akyat mo ng bundok, wala ka nakikitang view. Napakalungkot. Pero wag naman na sosobrahan natin. Magtitira tayo para sa sarili. Have that experience, never overindulge.